The Wuling brand, created by the alliance of GM and SAIC, has published the first images of a concept car that should predetermine the new design style of the brand. According to AutoHome, the full premiere of the prototype will take place in the coming days. The first photos show the opening scheme of the doors of the unnamed concept. They rise upward in the style of a gull wing and are made extremely wide, opening access to both rows of seats. Previously, a similar scheme was used by Geely on a prototype called Starship, but the Wuling concept is a semblance of a sedan and not a full-size crossover. In addition, the first teasers show details of the lighting equipment of the future new product. The Wuling brand is known for its inexpensive electric vehicles, including the Hongguang Mini EV, which is being prepared for an update. It is considered one of the most popular electric cars in China. Thus, the high-tech concept stands out from the brand's image. It is possible that with its premiere, Wuling will announce not only a new style, but also a repositioning with the aim of entering more prestigious market segments. A similar design was featured in the April concept of the Dongfeng concern, presented under the name EP 2024. Its body was also devoid of middle pillars, but the doors opened to the sides, not upwards.